Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm finally going to be trying to do my own Gel X nails. I've always wanted to do them and I've had them in my cart for so long, but I finally decided to go for it because so far I've done like regular nail polish, I've tried press-ons. Honestly, nothing ever really sticks, so I'm really hoping that this will get me the results I want because I'm gonna be going for like a luxury princess core type of look. And I'm so excited, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is everything I got. All of this is from Amazon, so I'm going to link everything below. So I got a UV lamp, some nail tips. These are medium almonds. I also got a nude gel polish kit. I also got a white color just because the set didn't have white in it. I also got some nail glue. For the tips, I got some rhinestones and some rhinestone glue. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I have some of these nail tips and I'm just going to like look through and try to match them with my nails. Because right now I don't have any polish or anything on them, so the next step for me would just be to match them and apply the tips. Okay, so I have some medium almonds with me right now, so I'm just gonna go in and try to pick some that will match my nail shape from sidewall to sidewall. And sometimes they might be a little off, so I just like to go in with a file and shape them properly. And these ones are nice because they already come kind of matte on the inside. It's really important that you pick the right size and that the nail actually fits from sidewall to sidewall, otherwise they're gonna pop off. And if you can't find like a size that's big enough, I would recommend honestly moving the nail a little bit forward so it still fits sidewall to sidewall, and then you can fill in the extra of like the cuticle area with like a gel or gel polish. I think I found the right ones, so I'm just going to go in with some nail glue and cure it under my UV lamp for 90 seconds. So before anything, the first thing I did was put a little bit of peel off base coat on my nails so that it wouldn't damage my natural nail. The next thing I'm doing is putting a little bit of nail glue on my natural nail and then curing it for a while, and then putting some more nail glue on the inside of the tip, and then pressing that tip against my nail and kind of curing it as I hold on to it. This part was a little tricky because I kind of had to press down on my nail as I cured it to make sure that there's no bubbles, because once you have any bubbles, your nails are gonna fall off so much easier. So for them to stay put, you really wanna make sure to glue everything properly and press it down on your nail so that there are no air bubbles. Once I had the nails on, I went in with some base gel. After that, I went in with a coat of my color, which is like a pink, like nude kind of color, and just cured that for 90 seconds. And I found that 2 coats usually looks the best, so I just went in with another coat of the same color and just cured it for another 90 seconds. Once the color is all done, this is what it looks like. It actually looks so freaking cute. I'm already loving this, but let's go ahead and get on to the decor. I was looking at pictures of luxury nails and I really liked the like French tip look, but I also loved the rhinestones, so I decided to put it together and started off with like a French tip on my medium almond nail. Now I'm just going in with some small rhinestones and sticking them on with the rhinestone glue. Curing all of that for 90 seconds. I just went in with some acetone to clean up around the edges, but after that I just finished off with my top coat and cured it under my UV lamp. And this is what the nails turned out like. They are actually so cute. I'm so obsessed. I feel like it was totally worth it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.